Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be learning about some safe internet tips. How to surf internet with safety. Internet safety? Is it important? Let us see. Why to be safe while using internet? Internet is a vast network of networks that serves billions of users worldwide. So, there may be some people with their bad intentions to harm someone directly or indirectly. Some people having the knowledge of system may want to steal your data and use it for their own private purposes, or may want to use your information for their personal profits. So, how to be safe on internet? Let us see. Use antivirus software. In most of the cases, your antivirus software can prevent from the threats of internet security. Nowadays, there are several antivirus softwares available, such as Avast, Node32, Norton, Symantec, McAfee, and Windows Defender, etc. Some of them provide a bundle of software that together protect your computer or device from almost any threat. Don't go to malicious websites. There are some hosts who host websites that attacks you, and then they want to give your personal private information to them. That means if you go to these websites, they show you some offers which are very attractive, and then they ask for some personal information. So don't go to such websites until you know how they will use your information. For that, you can go ahead and check their privacy statement. Some modern browsers like Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, Safari, Internet Explorer provide some inbuilt security precautions so that when you try to open such website, they will alert you about the threats related to the particular website. This is how you can prevent from such malicious websites. Don't reply to malicious emails. Most of the time, your email service provider will alert you if the email is from some malicious sender using the spam detection technology. In Google, Yahoo, MSN, and most of the mail providers provide this spam detection, though sometime it may happen that you find any email in your inbox which is sent to you by someone want to harm you. Do not click on the links in such emails. Do not reply them with any sort of information, or do not try to contact them. Don't share your sensitive information. The threats are not from only websites. They are also related to people. In today's world, there are a lot of ways to connect with people online, like social networking, Twitter, Facebook, etc., chat rooms, directory indexes, emails, etc. Some people may contact you and ask you to give your credit card information, address information, contact numbers, or some information which is sensitive. Until you find the person 100% trustworthy, don't share your information with them.